Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a new tag in Insightly. Okay, so first up, all we have to do is just go ahead and log into your account. Now go ahead and navigate to the record, for example, contacts, even leads, organizations, or opportunities right here. Okay, now for example, under contacts, if you want to create a new tag, for example, right here, under this column, we have tag list. Okay, so all you have to do is just go ahead and select a contact. For example, Mr. Carlos Smith right here. I'm going to click on the three dots. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on edit this contact. Okay, click on it. Now once it loads, just go ahead and scroll down until you find the section tag information right here. So you can see we have the tag list. Now to be able to add a new tag, just click on this box. Now name the tag. For example, new underscore tag. Like so, as you can see here, just press on enter and it will be added. You can add it some more, as many as you like. Okay, for example, tagging like so, 2025. Now once that's done, you can go ahead and hit on save, wait for it to load, and as you can see here, under tag list, Mr. Carl Smith right here got multiple tags. That's basically how you do it. You can go ahead and do it on leads organizations as well. For example, again, just click on the three dots and hit on edit. Scroll down and you'll find tag. Add your tags, hit on save. And once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.